Welcome to historic Dayton, Nevada. Dayton was the site of Nevada's first gold discovery. Take a stroll through the scenic Old Town, then check out the museum. Historic downtown will take you back in time with shops, dining, and events year-round. Check out the Dayton Tap House, Nevada's historic saloon, where you can find great meals, games, and beverages. You'll find this charming city about 30 miles south of Reno and less than 10 miles from nearby Carson City. And did you know the 107,000-acre Tri-Center with Google, Panasonic, and Tesla is right off Highway 439? Running through town is the Carson River with great fishing and spots for beating the heat. Plus, you'll be near the gorgeous blue waters of Lake Tahoe, offering year-round outdoor activities like world-class skiing, mountain biking, boating, and paddleboarding. If golf is your game, visit the links at Dayton Valley Country Club, an Arnold Palmer-designed championship golf course, hosting the longest-standing PTA Tour qualifier in the country. Pull your boots on and round up the kiddos for the annual championship rodeo. Enjoy a picnic and a stroll through beautiful Dayton State Park. And bring the UTVs and dirt bikes. With dirt roads and trails in every direction, you'll never run out of places to explore. And now, you can live and play within Dayton's picturesque setting, enjoying nearby shopping, schools, parks, and more. D.R. Horton takes pride in building beautiful new homes in Dayton, Nevada. Take comfort in knowing that America's home builder has provided over 1 million residences, delivering quality and affordability across the country for over 45 years. Your future home is waiting for you in Dayton, Nevada. Visit drhorton.com/Dayton, then call us at 775-269-4827 to learn more about available homes in your area.